What is up, life agents? It's Pete Fournier coming at you for a little bit longer than a minute to unwrap my new Breitling. Now, this is not to show off, but to be grateful for the opportunity that you all have. You literally have a license to print money. So, when you're down in the dumps, when you're negative, when you had the worst field day or field week of your life, remember this moment, because any one of you can get to this. Just came in the mail, literally losing my mind. Let's get it open. Oh, snap! This is the Breitling Dark Sapphire, I believe. There's only 250 of these on the planet. And I got number 42. Go crush it the rest of the week and have a happy Thanksgiving.